So a defining feature of junk drawers is throwing in things and we don't really know what they are, but we're too frightened to throw them out. Hi, my name's Julie and I'm a declutter expert. Today I'm going to talk about junk drawers. We've all got them and I'm going to show you mine and bring it up and we can go through it together. So we've got a tangle of cords, bags, stationery, paperwork. So we've got a mixture of categories here that don't really belong together, but we need to sort everything out and bring some order to this chaotic drawer. So I've assigned a few different categories of where to put the contents of the junk drawer. This box means they go somewhere else in the house. For example, this belongs in the bathroom. This box is for things that we actually don't need, but we think someone else would be able to use. And this, of course, is for just plain junk. So a defining feature of junk drawers is throwing in things and we don't really know what they are, but we're too frightened to throw them out. For example, keys that we don't know what they fit, broken bits of plastic that we think might be important, cables, we don't even know what they fit. With these mystery items, I often bag them up, put a use by date on them, 1 year ahead. If you haven't used it in a year, it's probably safe to chuck. So once you have finished sorting out your junk drawer into some categories of things that you do want to keep, we need a system to subcategorize those categories. We can use things like a standard cutlery drawer, old product boxes, old gift boxes, takeaway containers, even jars can work to put some smaller items. So that's micro USB. Batteries in there, micro. So if there's a lot of any one particular category, maybe it's deserving of its own drawer. For example, in this situation, I've got a lot of bags and I do like to reuse bags. So maybe I'm going to give them their own drawer or cupboard. So I'm going to take them out and assign them a different place to live. I use masking tape a lot because it can be as long or as short as you need. There's nothing worse than rummaging through different cables, so I'm going to categorise the lightning cables, earphones, micro USB. There are often receipts in these drawers as well. If they're tax related, put them in your filing cabinet or even in a Ziploc bag with a date on them so that you know next time at a glance what they are. Vouchers are a really good thing to keep track of because they expire so quickly and what a waste of money. So let's keep them at the very front of the junk drawer. All right, we're pretty much done with the junk drawer. They get really dirty, I don't know why, so don't forget to give it a wipe out before you put back your keepers. So now we're going to start putting things back in the junk drawer. Items that we're not using very often, we put at the back, and frequent use items go at the front. So these mystery items, for example, I'm going to put them at the back. These batteries I don't use very often, so I'm just going to pop them at the back. Elastic bands I love, I use them for open packaging and things like that. I'm going to put them at the front. Pens and sticky notes I use all the time, I'm going to put them at the front. And these tech items I use quite frequently, so I'm going to put them in the middle. Often we live with people who are messier or neater than us, and we all have different clutter tolerances. It can be a good idea to assign the messy person a drawer so that they can dump all their stuff in there and you don't have to look at it again. So this is my partner's drawer and I don't have to look at it. And it's got a collection of things that he's meaning to take to work, hobbies, paperwork he needs to deal with, and I don't want these things on my counter, so I put them all in here and everyone's happy. So that's my kitchen drawers decluttered. Good luck with yours.